Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to the channel where we help you make the smartest purchases without breaking a sweat. Today, we've got an epic drone showdown between the Holy Stone mini drone and the LMRC-12 drone. It's a battle of the minis, and we're here to see which one will soar to victory and which one will crash and burn. Let's get into it. All right, let's kick things off with the most important factor, the price. Holy Stone mini drone comes in at a wallet-friendly $36, while the LMRC-12 drone is a bit more bougie at $79. So if you're looking to save some bucks, Holy Stone's already got a leg up. But hey, you get what you pay for, right? Let's talk about the camera. Holy Stone mini drone. Oh wait, it doesn't have one. Moving on to the LMRC-12, which boasts a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. It's like comparing a potato to a GoPro. If capturing those Instagram-worthy aerial shots is your thing, LMRC-12 is your guy. Now, let's talk about flight time. Holy Stone offers 21 minutes of fun with its 3 batteries. That's like having 3 shots of espresso for your drone. Meanwhile, LMRC-12 gives you 26 minutes with its 2 modular batteries. It's like the tortoise and the hare, but both are kind of slow. Still, LMRC-12 takes the win here with those extra 5 minutes of flight time. Next up, user-friendliness. Holy Stone mini drone is the definition of easy peasy. With altitude hold and headless mode, even your grandma could fly it. No offense, grandma. LMRC-12 also has headless mode, 1-key start landing and altitude hold, but it adds hand gesture photo/video. So you can pretend you're a Jedi while capturing those pics. LMRC-12, you're looking pretty fancy. Now, let's talk about fun features. Holy Stone can perform toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. It's like a mini circus in the sky. LMRC-12, on the other hand, has path drawing in the app and 3-level flight speeds. It's like giving your drone a GPS and a turbo button. Both are fun, but Holy Stone is the life of the party. And finally, let's not forget safety. Holy Stone mini drone has full protection with propeller guards, making sure your kids' fingers stay intact. LMRC-12? It's got US certification and professional technical support, which sounds super fancy, but it still doesn't keep your fingers safe from those spinning blades of doom. Holy Stone, you win this round. Based on Amazon reviews, the Holy Stone mini drone is praised for its ease of use, affordability, and durability, making it a great choice for indoor fun and beginners. However, some users reported issues with handling and the need for proper maintenance. On the other hand, the LMRC-12 drone is appreciated for its good video quality, stability, and advanced features. But some users experience difficulties with the app and controls. Overall, both drones have their strengths and weaknesses, and your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. So there you have it, folks. If you're ballin' on a budget and want something safe and fun, go for the Holy Stone mini drone. If you've got a bit more cash to splash and want those sweet aerial shots and fancy features, the LMRC-12 drone is your jam. Either way, you are in for a good time. Thanks for tuning in, Buy Smart family. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss an epic showdown. Drop a comment below and let us know which drone you're going to get and why. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.